Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misbah Ghulam Abbas from Mishi, and today we are going to learn how to make three different types of ear savers, or you can say mask adapters, or you can also say them mask holders. You know, these days it is very important to wear the mask, and our ears are not feeling comfortable by keeping those elastics on our ears for longer time. So I have decided to make many different patterns and designs so that it is easy for the maker and for the person who is using the mask. It is very easy and comfortable for them. So we are going to make something very comfortable for all our users who are using mask. Means everyone is using mask these days. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this you will be needing a scrap of yarn, because you are going to have use very small amount of yarn. So you need a scrap of yarn, a pair of scissors, a hook. I am using 3.5 mm hook. You can use according to your yarn type. And we'll be needing a pair of button and a tapestry needle. So without wasting any time, let's start quickly. So you are going to start with a slip knot, and let me focus my camera. So yes, here it is. We are going to start with a slip stitch. Make sure you are leaving a long tail enough to sew your button at the end. So I am leaving a long tail and starting with a starting with a slip knot. I'm going to chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, I have done my 5 chains, and now into the second chain from my hook I am going to make a single crochet. So this is my first single crochet, into the next second single crochet, into the next third single crochet, and into the next I did 4 single crochets. So you can see I have done 5 chains, and from the second chain I have done 4 single crochets. Now chain 1, this won't be count as our stitch, and we are going to turn our work and make single crochet on top of single crochet, into the next single crochet, into the next, and into the next one. So we have 4 single crochets all together. Again the same pattern we are going to do. Chain 1, this won't be count as our stitch, and we are going to turn our work and make single crochet in each of the single crochets. Once you have made like this, you are going to increase it as much as you want. So the sizes I am going to tell you, the smallest size is 4 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and onwards. As big as you want, you can make your adapters. Okay, so join me when I have made the length, the enough length. So you can see I have made the desired length I want, and now what we are going to do, we are going to chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long tail to sew our button. So I am leaving a tail over here, and I cut my yarn, and we are going to fasten off. So our first design is ready, and we can attach a button over here. You can use any button you want. You can use a big button or a small button or any button you want, with the help of your with the help of these tails we have left. Okay, so quickly moving on to the next design, that is very easy and simple. And for that, again we are going to leave a long tail and start our work with a slip knot. And after making a slip knot, we are going to chain 4 yes, 1 2 3 and 4. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make 5 double crochets into the first chain of our work. or you can say we are going to make 5 double crochets into the fourth chain from our hook. So this is my 1 2 3 and 4. This is the fourth chain, and in this one I am going to make 5 double crochets. This is the second one, the third, fourth, and the fifth. After making 5 double crochets, I am going to chain 2 and make a single crochet into the same hole or into the same chain I did my 5 double crochets. So you see, this is complete. Now I am going to make 3 chains and turn my work, and now I am going to make 5 double crochets into this space. This is the chain 2 space we did. So 2 3 4 and 5. After doing 5 double crochets, we are going to chain 2 and make a single crochet into the same single. You can also do a single crochet and you can also do a slip stitch, it's your wish. Okay, again chain 3, turn your work into this chain 2 space. We are going to make 5 double crochets. In this way we are going to make as long as we want, and then we are going to chain 1 and fasten off. So let me show you once I have done the length I required for my ear savers. So see, I have done 5 double crochets and now chain 2, and over here I am doing a slip stitch. So this is how it goes on, and the length you want, join me back when I have completed the length. So I am on my last shell, and over here what I am going to do is I have done 5 double crochet, and I am going to do 2 more double crochets over here, and then I am going to fasten off my work. So I have done 2 more double crochets over here, and now I am going to chain 1, cut my yarn till the desired length to sew the button, and this is it. So you can see my second ear saver is also completed. Sorry. Moving on quickly to the third one, that is also very easy and quick to make. It hardly takes few minutes to complete it. Again we are going to leave a long tail to sew our button. We are going to start with a slip knot, and we are going to chain 20. 1 2 3. So I have made chain 20, and now I am going to make 2 more chains, and from the third chain from our hook I am going to make 6 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the loops. So this is our first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet, fourth, fifth, and the last one, the sixth half double crochet. So once you have made the 6 half double crochets, now what you have to do is you have to do half double crochet all the way round till the end of your chain. So till here we are till this chain we are going to make half double crochets. I'm so sorry. In this way, do 1 double crochet in each of the chain. So here I am on my last chain, and in this last chain I am going to make 6 half double crochets. Into the same I am going to make 6 half double crochets. 2 3 4 5 and the last one 6. Now again we are on the other side of our work, and over here we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in each of the stitch or each of the chain, okay, till here. So now you can see only one chain is left, and I am going to make a 1/2 double crochet in this one. And now what we are going to do is we are going to slip stitch into the first 1/2 double crochet like this, chain 1, and fasten off, leave a long tail to sew the button, and that's it. So we have completed our 3 ear savers. This was the joint I came across, and you can cut it. Okay, so here we go. You can see the 1, 2, and this is the third one. So you see we learned 3 more designs of ear savers. In the last video I showed you a very simple and easy one, and these are 3 more easy and quick ear savers you can make. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also give thumbs up to this video if you like the video. Please subscribe and do share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Much love. God bless.